What's up, family? It's Asia, and welcome to my channel where I help you look good, smell good, and follow Jesus. Today, I am doing a massive beauty unboxing. I've got fragrance and a bunch of other things that I can't wait to share with you guys. So the first haul I want to talk about is my Sephora haul. Now, I got some fragrance because you guys know I'm on my fragrance journey. I'm really just trying to explore more scents and broaden my catalog that I have here at home. So the first one that I got is this Skylar. This is the scent Boardwalk Delight. So the notes are pure vanilla, cotton candy, coconut milk. It is eco-friendly, safe for sensitive skin, and hypoallergenic. It's a layerable scent as well. Let's just start off with a first impressions. This is the bottle. Super pretty, not too extra, so let's smell it. I'm a little nervous. This is a blind buy for me. Okay, it's got a really, really nice mist. Oh, that is nice. Let me just do it on my skin. So I get like a coconutty, cotton candy-ish vibe. Ooh, I cannot wait. So, okay, I got that one. Then I also picked up this Kayali Eden apple. I've been wanting to smell this. This is another blind buy. I wasn't confident enough that I would like this to get a full size, so I just went with a travel size. The notes in this one are juicy red apple, wild berries, jasmine, lychee, vanilla flower, and sensual musk. And this is what it looks like. Okay, so let's test her out. Ooh, I can already kind of smell her. It smells good. Okay. Wow. Eden apple smells so good on the skin. It's a very sweet scent. This is nice. I kind of regret not getting the full size now. Wow. I do get a lot of apple, and I feel like it's teetering air freshener apple. Maybe it is the vanilla or the musk. I don't know, but something is grounding it to where it's not like air freshener, but it's still very much so apple. So I like it. I'm happy with both of those blind buys. Okay, so now let's go to the things I got in store at Sephora. So this is a same day delivery order. Girl, they dropped it off in front of the house. I love shopping same day delivery with Sephora. The first thing that I picked up is the full size of the Kayali Yum Gelato. Now, if you follow me on Instagram or if you see any of my shorts, you know that I have bought from Huda the small version of this, and I decided to go ahead and get the big one, girl. No regrets. That's the primary reason why I bought these two, so that I can layer these together. I can play with Eden Juicy Apple and Yum Gelato. I can play with Skylar Boardwalk and Yum Gelato. Yeah, just mixing, matching, and layering. I really want to play with layering. That's kind of like my peak interest right now in my fragrance journey. But this is a very fresh, clean, yummy scent. It is perfect for the spring and summer months. It doesn't last super long. Ooh, it definitely mixes beautifully with that Skylar perfume. And I also want to try it with Juicy Apple, which I'll play with them later. But yes, so that's what I got. And then the second thing that I got from Sephora is Miss Dior Eau de Parfum. Girl, I was kind of on the fence about Miss Dior because I've only smelt it once, right? But as you can tell, like, these two I've already opened. You know, for the sake of the video, I wanted to show you all of my haul. So I've worn this 3 times now. The first time I smelt it, I was like, oh, I don't know about that. But now that opening is magnificent. The notes in this perfume are iris, peony, lily of the valley, apricot, rose, peach, vanilla, musk, tonka bean, benzoin, and sandalwood. Girl, that opening is mouth-watering. I get all the notes, okay? Like, I love peony. That is my favorite flower. So I definitely smell the peony, the peach, the apricot, the rose. The way that the vanilla mixes in, it just smells so good. But then it dries down to the sandalwood. At first, I didn't know how I felt about that. I didn't know. But now when I smell that like woodiness, I love it. So that's all for Sephora fragrance. I got one more thing from Sephora, and It is the Makeup by Mario Plumping Lip Color in the color Spice. All right, so let's try the color. I mean, it's okay. It's a little bit darker than I expected. Like, I didn't expect it to be this dark, but at the same time, it's cute. A smidge darker than I anticipated, but I think it's still pretty. I also did a little shopping at Bath & Body Works. I'm not a Bath & Body Works girl, but remember, I'm trying to get into layering. So I got 4 different things during the $5.75 sale for Mother's Day. The first one that I got is rose. Now, I love me some rose, girl. I just love rose. I got the Fine Fragrance Mist, and I also picked up the hydrating lotion. I've only tested it out with one of my perfumes, and I love it. But I've been having fun with this mist, so I can't wait to try it like as my layering combo. And of course, I'm going to be making some shorts about the layering combos that I try. So y'all be on the lookout just for my next long form fragrance video and also my little short forms. I also got the Gingham Gorgeous. Listen, this is such a pretty scent. It's so nice. Like, my nose is kind of like overpowered by all these smells I got. I got a sensitive nose. So, yeah. Oh. But that is pretty. It's a really pretty scent. I'm not quite sure how I would layer it just yet. But this is something that I could see myself like wearing to bed or something. Another thing that I got, you know, it's the season of flowers, girl. So, I got this neroli and bergamot lotion. Oh my gosh, I love pairing this with my Ari perfume. I love wearing this to bed. I pair it with my Shea Moisture Neroli shower gel. Like I said, we'll have some layering conversations, but this right here, I have 3 bottles. It was on sale for $5, so I had to get another one just to make sure that I'm stacked because I love this one. It just smells so good. That's it for Bath & Body Works. Like I said, I'm not a big Bath & Body Works girl like that. This is my first time shopping there in a long time. And the final stop was Ulta because we gotta talk about natural deodorants and natural body washes and all the things. I absolutely love each and every rose is that girl. This deodorant is amazing. I've been using their deodorant for 2 years now, a year and a half maybe. It's definitely been over a year and I love it. Has not done me wrong at all. I've tried coconut and sandalwood. I've tried lavender and lemon. I've tried the rose and vanilla. Love them all. But a first time try for me is going to be this body wash. Haven't used it yet. But because I like the rose and vanilla scent, I went ahead and got it. It doesn't have many reviews online, so it was kind of like a risky buy, but I purchased it anyways because I'm like, if I like the way the deodorant smells, I'm probably gonna like the way the body wash smells. And the one review was just saying that it smelled too much like lemon, and I'm just like, it ain't for you, it's for me. So I'm gonna go get it and not pay you no attention. So here we are with these 2 items and I'm super excited. So yeah, let me know if you guys want a follow-up on each and every and their body wash. If that's something y'all are interested in, I'll definitely record a short or just do an update on my experience with it. You know, maybe it'll make it to an empties and I could do an empties video. I don't know, but chat it out in the comments and let me know what y'all want to see. All right, hygiene, honey. I am trying to be more consistent with shaving now that we are in the warmer months. So usually, girl, I don't shave my legs in the wintertime. Don't nobody see them but my husband, and I'm not that hairy. So yeah, now I'm gonna start shaving my legs again. And usually when I shave my underarms, I just use hair conditioner. But I figured, why not have an experience? Why not get something that smells good and shave with it? So I'm going to be trying out this EOS shave cream in pomegranate. Another reason why I bought this is because I had to spend $50 to get $10 off. So, you know, I did that. And then I got bonus points. So now I got $50 to spend in points, which is great. I'm excited to try that shaving cream. And then I also really just wanted to get, you know, some more glosses because NYX had buy 2, get 1 free on their glosses. So I got some butter glosses. I wanted clear because, believe it or not, I don't own a single clear gloss. I got 2 clear glosses, okay? I also got tiramisu, which tiramisu was that girl. And I feel like people just be forgetting about things that are great. So I was like, you know what? Let's go back to the OG. Let me get tiramisu and 2 clear for 100 Alex. And that's what I did. I basically got all this for free, plus $50. So it worked out for me. Just to add to the cart is this I'm Peach mask. I bought a bunch of these a few months ago. I just add this to my mask collection and, you know, have a little me time every once in a while. That's it for my haul, guys. Listen, I'm super excited. Everything that I purchased with my own coin, it smells good. I will not be returning anything. So let me know what you swooped up during the Sephora sale or during this month, for the spring, for the summer, all the things. Put me on to the good stuff, okay? Put me on to the good stuff. Let's chat it out in the comments so we can all be blessed this warm season. And make sure you follow me for more content that helps you look good, smell good, and follow Jesus. And until next time, peace.